forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. On a better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners.
Welcome back to the channel. Yes, my babes. That Mr. TV, though. Don't leave away.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all good. What we doing?
I go back now something where I think a lot of people don't remember these things.
So these are things that Jamaicans take seriously. 20 things that Jamaicans take very seriously. Guys, this is just fun. This is just for fun.
Very serious.
Don't be offended by anything. It's just light-hearted fun, okay? So the first one is the US Embassy appointment.
What? You want to get an apartment for that place there?
Mm-hmm.
You could have lived in a bush, man. The farthest bush. I know you reach there.
Yeah. And early too.
Well, I'm here, man.
Early as well.
Last week,
and well attired, well dressed.
Yeah, I'm
No, Jamaicans don't play when it comes to that US Embassy appointment to go for their visa for foreign.
Yeah, man.
They ain't playing.
Telephone with it. I tell you.
Yeah. Alright. Number 2. This made me laugh when I saw it. The bully beef key.
Bully beef
the
key.
bully beef key. People, let me tell you, when I was younger, I don't eat beef now. I don't eat corned beef now, but when I was younger and I used to have to go to shop to buy a tin of corned beef, like this happened to me enough time already. I just pick up the first one on the shelf. I didn't check it to make sure that the key's there. And you know when you get home and there's no key, you understand? And them time that I'm young, so I'm not good with the knife. So you know what I used to try to do? I used to try to get the can opener, try to open it along the straight sides, and then try to like dig with a knife the corners, because you know the can opener cannot work on a corned beef tin. Yes.
You know what style? We'll find a way to open it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you probably just use a knife though, innit?
I think about that, man.
Yeah, the corned beef key, the bully beef key is a serious thing.
Yeah, man. Trouble today.
Alright, number 3. Curry gravy. You know why I laugh? Because we bought a fried chicken yesterday, yeah? And when I buy fried chicken, it must have curry gravy on it.
Yeah, curry gravy.
Curry gravy. Jamaicans will put curry gravy on anything. They will go to the store to buy box food. They'll go to the shop to buy box food.
Yeah.
Give me a fried chicken curry gravy. Give me a dish with curry gravy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You don't left that. Them like that blend there.
Yeah. I don't eat curry goat, but give me curry gravy on my fried chicken.
Rice and peas with
curry gravy. We take that seriously.
Yeah, man, serious.
No, yes. It wasn't yesterday. It was last week we got it. But yesterday we went to the shop to buy the curry chicken, to buy the fried chicken. You told them to put the curry gravy, and when we came home, there was no curry gravy on it. So disappointed.
Mash me up, man.
Yeah.
You can't go back to fire.
Exactly. But curry gravy is important.
I tell you, that's something they work.
Alright, number 4. I don't know about this one. It says oxtail gravy. I didn't know that was a big thing.
Oxtail gravy?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's something very rare, you know?
Yeah.
Because people don't make oxtail with that amount of gravy. Like when they make it curry chicken with that amount of gravy. Yeah, of course they make it with gravy. No, but you're not going to oxtail gravy like that, because people are going to request take the oxtail gravy and the oxtail alone the finish.
Yeah, I've never heard of people requesting oxtail gravy like differently.
Well, I'm not really full on that.
Yeah, I don't eat that either, but you guys tell me, is oxtail gravy a thing? Like, is that a thing that you guys take seriously?
American people don't love oxtail, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
They say oxtails, they put the S on the end.
Yeah,
it's
man.
oxtail.
Yeah, man.
No S on the end.
Yeah, man.
Please watch the ads. Alright, the next one. Don't I know about this one? Where we've had our fair share. Partner draw.
Partner draw.
Listen. First of all, big up all Jamaicans, because this concept that you guys have of partner draw, great one. I've been growing up seeing people in my family doing partner draw. I grew up start do partner draw one at a time too.
Hello.
Partner draw.
You know must think put together for the partner draw there.
Yeah.
But what if you listen to me?
Yeah, no. And when it's your turn to get the draw and you don't get your draw,
trouble now.
or the banker mashes them,
Problem
up things.
Problem.
Listen. We've been there. So
no,
we
man,
know.
I read something.
We had a little incident ourselves, not getting our draw for nearly a good amount of time.
Yeah. Bleach pan them forget about my one.
Yeah.
What's up there?
Partner draw is very, very important.
Very.
Yes. Big up all the people that run good partner.
Manners and prayers.
Alright, so number 6. Jamaicans take this very serious. Jamaicans in Jamaica take this serious. KFC. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Listen. It doesn't matter what day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It doesn't matter what time. KFC is full.
Hello.
Drive-through, walk-in, full.
Hello. It's the KFC line. Beat the embassy line.
Of course.
The KFC in Jamaica line then beat the embassy line.
Yeah. I don't know what. Of course, KFC Jamaica is good, but I don't know. I really don't know what is in it like that to hold the people. People love KFC out here, and they will queue. Like, they will go in the KFC store, see there's like 50 people in front of them, and still go and line up. Like,
KFC.
Yeah.
Keep from cooking.
Yeah. As I always say, and I've said it many times on this channel, KFC is Jamaica's national dish. It's back in saltfish.
Yeah, man. I'm crazy for it, man.
Yeah. Alright, number 7. This is so true as well. People business.
What? God sell.
Things Jamaicans take seriously. People business.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, mix up, passa and blender. You know,
man.
Jamaicans love people business.
Get up early this man, I chop about that too. Yeah, man, nothing in the house to do and then something they
Yeah.
chop about that first.
Yeah. People
That's something there.
business.
Oh, yes, when they want to know, them into it.
Alright, number 8. Now, this has just been proven, right? Jamaicans love track and field, especially track. Now, you know, when it comes to Olympics or World Champions or any major track and athletics, track and field sport, you know, activity or championship, should I say, Jamaicans take it seriously. They're going to be out there with their pot covers.
Yeah, man. That's what
you understand?
Yeah,
cheering on Jamaica. Like, I love it. I love the support that Jamaicans give to their country.
Yeah, man.
Countrymen and women when they do that.
You must mash up, man, for Bolt and Shelley and
yeah,
people,
man. Yeah.
You want to blade them and soft for them, man. You must think mash up for them, man. What you say,
Listen,
man?
right now, Jamaican people are not happy with the whole Paris Olympics because, you know, our favourites didn't get to run. There's some things going on. Phil Shelley with, you know, can't get entry into the warm-up area. So, and we take that serious. That's a serious thing. We take that serious.
You know, like, look at the one there.
Alright, this one, we won't go too much into it, but we definitely take this serious.
Oh.
Cartel case. We're going to talk cartel case because Cartel is a free man. Cartel, big up yourself. But people took this serious for the last 13 years.
Yeah.
We took it serious. But Cartel, big up yourself, you're home.
Yeah, just want him behave himself.
Yeah.
And do what he have to do.
Yes. Big up yourself,
That's why just send him back.
Big up yourself.
Doing thing.
Big up
So
yourself.
that's manners and prayers.
And listen, there are people booking their flights from now for December to come to Jamaica for when he performs. Yeah, people say they're selling house, selling land, selling their car, selling a kidney to come for the concert. But big up yourself. All right, number 10. This is very serious. Jamaicans take this very, very, very seriously.
Who's that?
Dead left.
Yeah, man. People are dead again for that.
It's true.
Yeah,
It's
man.
not funny, but it's true.
I tell you.
It's true.
Yeah, man. Family. Ah, Jesus.
Dead left. It's and Outlaw's right. People dead for dead left.
I tell you.
Yeah.
People are getting knocked again for that. I tell you. I know damn or something. Yeah, man.
Deadly.
Brother against brother, sister against sister.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
the family just tie up.
Yeah.
People just are knock away to that piece of land there.
And that's why, guys, it's important to have your affairs in order if you've got land and things like that, and help your family to get their things in order. Have a will.
Yeah, man, put the
written,
thing
let
together,
everybody
man.
know what's what. Yeah, try and
Yeah,
have
put
everything
them people together.
Yeah, because
Especially
boy,
in Jamaica.
yes.
So them have tight, you know.
Yeah.
So just put the thing together,
This
man.
deadlift is a serious thing.
Yeah, man. Put the thing together.
Alright, number 11, Jamaicans take very seriously. Food at a night and a funeral. Listen, like I said, I don't eat curry goat, but you know that the curry goat at a night slaps differently.
Yeah,
Like food at a night and a funeral is like some of the best food you'll have.
Yeah, well, if no food no up there, remember I said, nobody no up there, you know. If no food no up there, remember you alone up at that
I
thing.
feel like some people just
Oh.
go for the food alone. They just go, we're going night because there's going to be food and drink, rum.
Yeah, man, do them thing. Yes, I need something there.
And alcohol.
If that not there, brother, you best nobody talk about you keep nothing.
It reminds me of grave digging as well. People take that seriously
Yeah, man,
because
serious
they know
something.
so that they can go dig grave and,
Yeah,
and get
man.
their rum.
Everybody volunteer right there, so.
Yeah.
But not pay for the grave at Jamaica again.
Mm-hmm.
No, sir. Man, just volunteer and,
Yeah.
and cook some food and,
Yeah.
and drink some rum, man.
Yeah.
JB.
Mm-hmm.
JB. Jaron Krobati. Yeah, that's the same thing there.
Alright, number 12 of things that Jamaica take very seriously is dreams. Dreams. Me dreams say. Yes.
Man.
Guys, you know them ones when your grandma or maybe an elder in your family calls and says they dream fish?
Yeah,
Everybody's like, it's not me, because you know if somebody
man.
dreams fish, it means somebody's pregnant, right?
Yeah, man.
And everybody's like, well, it's not me, and in their speculation, who could it be? Because grandma dreamt fish.
If you know one grandma dream, I'm come tell you, you know. I mean, I think you want that.
So dreams, yes. Yes.
Yeah, man.
Another one is
See, that's something.
when your parents used to say, like, when you're younger and you want to go on the road, you live with your parents and you want to go out party and you get ready, you dress up nice, and as you're about to leave the door, your mother or your parents come and say, their dreams say.
You got something there. To ring on board
When
the
you
heavens,
hear
man.
that, you know, you just know to take off your clothes and go and sit down. You're not going nowhere. They
Man,
had a
good,
dream.
man. Them dream there. The Martin
Yeah.
Luther King something there. Yeah, them have it enough.
All right, this one I know for sure. Oh my gosh, number 13, Cashpot. Cashpot. Jamaicans take Cashpot so seriously.
Obviously, that Cashpot something on my people, but an everyday thing. You can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Have a Cashpot. Everyday life and living. You can't do that. Where it's slick like that, or you're good like that, you're good on the side of
Then
it.
people
Man.
take it seriously. You see them
Very
out. You
serious.
see them inside the betting places or the Cashpot
Yeah, man.
places with their pen and their paper,
Yeah,
writing
man.
down all the different numbers. And you know that the different numbers, if you're familiar with Cashpot, different numbers have different meanings.
Yeah,
So
man.
what do you
One
have?
number have 36 different meanings. That's something like
All
yeah.
right.
One number.
So what are
number.
some of them? Like naked man and or what is it?
Yeah.
I don't even know what they are. White
Some
lady and
white lady,
lizard
white
and
lady, what, 26.
okay, you know some
You
of
look
them.
at something there. And,
Yeah, each number has different meanings. Like I said, multiple meanings.
and what political meaning?
Yeah.
Doctor, 18 a doctor.
Mm.
You know something there.
some
17,
people
17
take
are
it
all dead.
Some people take it very
Number 3
seriously.
dead right now. Number 2 small fire. Number 1 duppy.
Mm.
And number 5 government of Jamaica.
And Cashpot plays multiple times a day. Like 5-6 times a day.
Six
Six
times
times
a
a
day,
day.
yeah, man.
And there are people that play it for the 6
Yeah,
times
man.
for the day.
Yes. Not Cashpot only, not Cashpot only, you know. Many
Yeah.
different games played. 6
Yeah,
times a day.
yeah.
But Cashpot, there's some people that hang on to because them can eat breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Yeah.
Send them penny go to school in the morning and put a something there. Them have it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right, the next one is phone credit. Number 14, phone credit. Now, Jamaica was one. I don't know if anywhere else does it, but it's the only place I know where you can send not just a please call me, but you know you can send somebody credit from the credit you got in your phone.
Yeah,
already.
man, yeah, man.
Please watch the
ads.
ads. Someone said, send me a credit. That's it. I was reading, remember I was telling you the other day.
Yeah, I remember
I
that.
was reading, somebody on Instagram was saying that they got stopped by the police in Jamaica. Now, you know, when you get stopped by the police in Jamaica, they're going to tell you left or right? So they either write you a ticket or you left a thing with them, yeah? If you violated the traffic code. And this person was saying they didn't have no money on them. The police officer that stopped them said, how much credit have you got in your phone?
See how far I reach?
The person would have said, like, I've got $900. So the police said, all right, send me one $300 out of the credit you've got.
Yeah, man.
Credit.
Right now. Right now.
Yeah.
My text up, man.
All right, number 15, bush tea. This
Yeah,
reminds me of you.
Yeah, you can't. You must left out the tea bush.
Yeah.
And if you can't get the bush, you just deal with the tea bush. Because it's better than everything else where I get out of so. You know this whatever, blah, blah.
What have you got right now? What have you been boiling right now?
Right, some sauce of leaf and guinea leaf I drink right now. Yeah, I drink the leaf together.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when we ease up for that now, I go on some Medina, you know. Yeah, that's something there.
He takes these things seriously.
I put something else with the Medina too, but
if it's not, if it's not that, it's seriously.
Something.
Oh,
yeah. Seriously, put the bitters and the thing, so we have to put that too. Yeah.
Bush tea.
You know, I drink that natural or a dash of honey, you know. Yeah, brackish with a little honey and we're good.
Alright. Another thing Jamaicans take seriously says the 25th of the month, or month end.
Yeah.
They take that very serious because it's that payday.
Yeah, man, everybody get paid. We'll get paid on fortnights and we'll get paid on month and everything. Yeah.
And what I've realised over here is every end of month, the place is busy.
Yeah, man.
The town is extra busy end of month.
Man. That time
everybody's buying their things, paying their bills, etc.
Yeah, man.
Alright. This one, it doesn't matter if you're Jamaican or if you're Jamaican heritage, wherever you are in the world, once you've got a little Jamaican in you, Sunday dinner, number 17. Sunday dinner. You make sure you soak your peas the night before, okay?
People,
Sunday dinner.
I will share it. Red rice and rooster.
Yeah.
You must be mad.
Yeah.
People, whenever hungry on Sundays, I want different hungry that you know. Yeah, no hungry, no wicked and one day, you know. Just Sunday hungry, you know. Red rice and rooster. I'm not doing that.
Yeah, Sunday dinner. We take it serious. That's a very serious thing.
No pork.
Yeah. Sunday dinner is a serious thing.
I tell you.
And you know, in our household, we cook from early still. We cook
like
early.
Typical Jamaican.
Yeah.
You know what we think about
early. And probably Sunday you will eat sometimes twice on a Sunday because you cook so early.
We eat up on a Sunday.
Yeah. And then what's left? Sunday, Monday. You know, Sunday, Monday. Hits
never drop it.
Sunday, Monday, it is it.
That's Sunday, Monday, something there. And the body's part of Sunday. Monday.
Yeah.
You don't understand what I mean, so make a do it.
Alright, number 18. I'm going to sort this one out.
Oh.
Bible and key.
Oh.
No. 4. Bible and key?
Got you, man.
Alright, I was going to swap for something else because I'm not familiar with Bible and key. But
I'll
make Outlaw explain this one.
Yeah.
Bible and key.
Bible and key. Someone will tell a lie and I go like you never do that something here. So they might get one Bible, you know, and get one key. Put the key in the Bible, strap it up. Hold up the key so now the Bible down the stuff and then hold up the key. You take them 2 fingers and hold up the key. So when them start calling him, and when their name call and the key spin, how you may culprit.
Oh, okay.
And the name call and the key spin. And the culprit that.
Okay.
Remember
So this is a new one for me. I've not heard of that one before.
Read something. You don't use it long time.
Okay.
Yeah, look at youth. Them are youth. For me, look at youth. I never understand it until they get bigger still.
Yeah.
But I see that.
Bible and key.
Yeah, man, I see that from my look at youth style.
Okay. Alright, the next one, things that Jamaican take seriously. Number 19, hand miggle. When your hand miggle is scratching.
Boy.
Boy.
Something to there, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Something to there, man.
Yeah. Money.
Something to there, man.
Money from
Yeah,
somewhere.
Man. Something to there.
Yes, hand miggle scratching.
Yeah, but I don't know where there, but they're there. Yeah, man. Something around there.
Alright, number 20 of things that we take seriously is gas. Gas or indigestion.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You don't want to take you up.
And whenever you feel bad, they always say drink tea. Tea is a solution for everything.
Yeah, bring some hot tea or some hot soup. Yeah, whatever.
Gas.
But, yeah, man, but I read something. You know what? You don't need that take you up, man.
Alright then.
But I'm not normal something. I got something there. It's not normal. Not normal.
Alright, number 21. This is very, very serious. Things Jamaica take seriously. I can attest to this one. Barrel from foreign. You see when that barrel from foreign comes, people take it very, very serious. It's a serious thing. You know, like sometimes the person selling the barrel has got clear instruction on who and who's to get one. Give 2 Irish Spring to Master Joe.
Yeah, man.
Give one of the flour to Miss Bertie.
Give Martin 2 pair of socks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a very serious thing.
You know, Master Kartel down there. Give a pack of coffee.
Yeah. And there are strict instructions on who must open the barrel and who must distribute.
Yeah.
You see when somebody goes in that barrel that's not meant to go in there and they take out what they're not supposed to take out? That's argument. Like, that's a big argument. Family will come to war because who took actings at the barrel that's not supposed to take actings.
So you know, me walk up the road later on, me beard and put on my clothes and walk up the road later on. Everybody knows the barrel come. I'm not doing that.
You look fresh.
Yeah, brother. Yes.
Fresh to your step.
Barrel come.
All right, number 22. Yes, Jamaicans do take this seriously. Mangoes. Mango.
Yeah, man. Mango time.
Mango time.
We hardly cook. Yeah, man. Hardly cook. Jamaicans hardly cook when mango time come. Yeah, man. So, you know, we take the mango thing, the mango eating the serious. At evening time, we just get a whole bucket of mango put down in front of it. When night I come down, you know. Yeah, most of do it when night though, because we have a mango we eat. Yeah, worm, we not gonna lick about worm, just eat mango.
Eat everything.
Yeah, and just eat some mango and check and use back and go to bed after that.
And also, when you're here from abroad and you hear mango season, you cannot go back to where you come from without bringing mangoes. Whether it be America, Canada, England,
bring
wherever,
some mango,
you have to bring the mango. And I know that the mango of choice, I don't know about America, but I know for UK, is East Indian.
Yeah, everybody wants.
That's the mango of choice, East Indian.
Yeah, some people don't matter still, but most people love East Indian. You know?
All right, things that Jamaicans take seriously. Cook food.
Cook food.
Cook food.
Yeah.
Like grand provisions.
Yeah, man.
Be like yam and banana. Or
yeah,
something.
man. Yes. Cook food, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. 6 months out the road right now, so long. I'm planning to cook a pot.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I cook some food. One haggard or some big chatters or 2 fowl or something. Them run a pot.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know, the whole time. You know, right? They might drink some special at the same time.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, man, you know
definitely.
that. Yeah, rum around. But they might organize them pot. Pot all around, man. We cook them food.
All right, number 24, things you make seriously. Oh, this used to be me, but I've calmed down a lot now. Going over Flatbridge.
Oh.
Boy, yeah. Going over Flatbridge used to be one of my pet hates. Like, I used to despise going over Flatbridge driving. Now, no problem.
You know, a big man, you know, I'm a bigger man, waller man for me. If I look at you, you say, I'm not go Kingston. You know why I'm not go Kingston? Because I'm not go to Flatbridge.
Yeah, that was probably before the highway was there, right?
You don't know if I'm just going to buy this because of the different roads. But them time, them say I'm not go there.
Yeah.
Not going to Kingston.
Some people are afraid of it, but that used to be me. Now, I go over it so often that now I'm used to it. But guys, just a tip, when you're going over Flatbridge, you're supposed to take off your seatbelt and wind down your window. Just in case anything happens, God forbid, the people that, you know, the swimmers and everybody can rescue you easier. Anyway, number 25 of things Jamaicans take seriously. Nothing. Guys, we don't really take nothing serious. We take what we're supposed to take serious, we don't take serious, you know. And the minor things, those are the things we take seriously. Hurricane Beryl, just for example, nobody really took it serious. People were out there joking and laughing and people out there dancing in the rain and pretending to be Michael. I'm going to put some clips up. Pretending to be Michael Jackson.
Yeah,
and doing all kind of foolishness.
Yeah, man.
When it was a serious thing.
See, that woman stood up and I was up like she actually hold on the thing.
Yeah.
Every time she go up, I mean, at the breeze, I take time what terrible, but she can't hold it
She's
down.
trying to secure her thing.
I saw she go up because this thing got glyph her up, you know. She can't hold it, but she'll try something.
25 of things Jamaicans take seriously. Nothing. We don't take nothing serious at all. Guys, that's just 25 things that Jamaicans take seriously. List some more in the comments. What are some of the other things that Jamaicans take seriously? Remember, this is a fun edition, right? So just, put it in the comments.
We like to share things with them. Yeah. That's what what's that like?
Alright guys, we hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, watch the ads. Of
please.
course.
Yes,
and until the next time.
Asking.
That was it.
That was it.